Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. In today's video, it was a 30% off VIP shop early Black Friday access sale at Pandora. And my birthday was early November and a couple of my lovely friends, they were so sweet, they got me a ton of gift cards, so I decided to wait and treat myself to the Pandora Black Friday sale. And I was so excited my local store let me shop early with the VIP event, which was so awesome. So I picked up quite a few Pandora goodies. I got 2 pieces from the Disney by Pandora collection, got some Pandora Me, and I also got 2 Pandora Moments charms. So if you would like to see what is inside, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. And let's get started with today's video. What's in there? What is in this? What do you think of that? What is inside? Should we open it up? Yeah? Let's open it up. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. I feel like it has been a while since I've done a Pandora haul on here. Just moving the tissue out of the way. So the first item I'm going to share with you is from the Disney by Pandora collection, and it's kind of an extension. So if you've seen, I did get the Aladdin whole collection almost, like the different charms. I was so excited. Jasmine's my favorite princess, but there were 2 items I didn't get, actually technically 3 items I didn't get from the collection, and one was this item. So let's open it up and take a look inside. This is called the Disney Aladdin Magic Lamp Pendant Necklace, and I love the cubic zirconia accents on it. They're done in star shapes, and the color kind of makes me think of Princess Jasmine, like her garment that she wears. The details on this are so beautiful. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but I think that's perfect for styling. It's so pretty. The lamp doesn't open like the charm, if you guys remember the Pandora Shine. So the lid doesn't open on this one, of course, but it is very magical and pretty. And I love that it's available in sterling silver. It goes with a lot of different outfits too, and it's so pretty. Now, I also love the crescent moon. It's done at the back of the necklace, and I think that's such a sweet detail. Makes me think, the magic carpet ride scene. The next item is a ring that was from the Aladdin collection from Pandora. And I found this ring in store, and I did try it on the day the collection was released, but what I was like a little bit sad about is the blue doesn't look as blue when you put it on. And then I went into the store today, I tried on the rings. I tried 2 different ones. I get 2 in my size. And one looked a little bit more blue than the other, but it's not as blue as I want it to be in real life. So I'm curious to see what this ring will be like when I try it on in more natural light without like the fluorescent light, from being in the store. So I'm curious to see if the color of the blue pops a little bit more. Just on my skin tone, it just seems to disappear. It looks kind of more on the grayish purple side, but curious in more natural light and different lighting if you'll see the blue more. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Here is a look at the Disney Aladdin Princess Jasmine ring in natural light. And you do see the blue more. It doesn't look as grayish in store. So I was so happy and pleased to see that. I love the detail on here. The little gemstone, the crescent moons with the cubic zirconia. It is so pretty. You can even see like that magical star detail on the side too. It is so pretty. I got the size 52 in case you guys are curious. And I love it. The hallmarks can be found inside the ring. And then inside the next box, I have 2 charms from the Pandora Moments collection. One is this beautiful metallic heart. It's the pink metallic heart. And that makes me think of Free Korean Dogs, which is the rescue organization that saved my dog Alice. So it's very special to me. The metallic pink heart charm is so beautiful, and I love how it just adds a lovely pop of color to your bracelet design. I also have the purple metallic heart charm, as well as the red metallic heart charm. For the same reason, they just add such a lovely pop of color to a bracelet design. And I tend to love to design them the most with mini designs, even on my Pandora O pendant. I think they just look so pretty. You can find the hallmarks at the bottom of the charm where the point is. And the other is from the Pandora Holiday Christmas collection. I saw this charm on the day the collection, like the whole holiday collection launched, and I didn't think there'd be too many on my wish list from that collection. And I saw this, and it's the most in the stocking. And it made me think of my late guinea pig, Harlow. You guys, if you followed my channel from like the very beginning, Harlow was a huge, she was basically a family member. She was my little guinea pig, but she would do my Pandora hauls with me. I'd film her a lot on here. And when especially even at Christmas, like decorating, she was always hanging out. She was more like a dog than a guinea pig. It's the best way I describe Harlow. And I saw this, and I know it's a mouse, but to me, it just made me think of Harlow. Plus, her birthday was December 10th. I got her at Christmas time. And that's technically her adoption birthday, and it just made me think of her. And I miss her. So it's just a sweet little Christmas memory I have of her, and throughout all those years I had her in my life, and a really special charm to remember her with. This charm is called the Festive Mouse and Stocking Charm, and you can see all the cute enamel details of pink ears, the red on the stocking and on the candy cane, and a little bit of green. And then on the bottom it says the magic of Christmas, and I just love that detail so much. You can even see the little stitches. And then inside the last Pandora box is some Pandora Me, and I do have a Pandora Me video coming. I'm going to talk about some sizing. I'm going to talk, like, show you basically the Pandora Me bracelet I picked up. There was a, I think it was a buy two get one free promo back in September. That's when I finally got my Pandora Me bracelet, and I keep meaning to film a video, and just life keeps getting in the way, but I will do a video hopefully within the next week or two for you guys to see a full look at my Pandora Me bracelet, the different pieces I picked up from it. So kind of like a mini collection of it, but also for me how it works for sizing for my wrist measurement, what I recommended. My friend Rita, a charm dreamer, was like super insanely helpful with like figuring out sizing, because I wanted to purchase it online, not go into store. So kind of figured out kind of what works best for me. So I'll share all that with you guys. She says she's gonna make a video about sizing too. She totally should. She helped me out so much. So definitely just keep an eye out for her. If she does do that video, she might do it on Instagram or on her YouTube channel. I'll leave links where you can find her down below. She also does special RITA links. They're beautiful, these gorgeous pearl links that you can get to add to your Pandora Me bracelet. They're so cool. I'll also leave a link where you can find more information about that down below. But anyway, let's open up this box so you can see the different Pandora Me pieces I picked up. I'm so excited about them. So I had to get the Pandora Me bright purple styling heart connector. This has a personal meaning for me, and it's been on my wish list, and I love it. I also got the round connector in sterling silver, and I also got the Pandora rose styling heart connector too for some designs. I'm so excited. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's Pandora haul video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different pieces that I picked out from Pandora. If you are interested in any of the items or the names of them, I will have them listed all down below in the description bar of this video. Some of the links in there may be affiliate links or commission links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Thank you so much. I would love to know if you guys picked up anything also from the Pandora Black Friday sale, whether that was for you or some loved ones. Please let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. A hello from Alice. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.